Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho. Well, hello there, my merry friends. It's me, Santa Claus. Today, I'm taking you on a very special journey to a real town named Santa Claus, Indiana. Yes, indeed, it's a real place right here in the USA. Santa Claus, Indiana, is a jolly little town in the state of Indiana, where the Christmas spirit lasts all year long. Can you imagine living in a place called Santa Claus? Ho ho, it's true. The town has streets with names like Candy Cane Lane, Reindeer Circle, and even Christmas Boulevard. And every year, people come from far and wide to celebrate the joy of the season. Would you believe it? The town has a real Santa's Post Office. Every year, thousands of letters arrive, each one written to me, Santa Claus. Ho ho! And guess what? Volunteers called Santa's elves help read and answer them. And if you like roller coasters and water slides, there's even a theme park called Holiday World. Each section is themed after a different holiday. But of course, Christmas is the star of the show. When I visit Santa Claus, Indiana, the people there are as kind and warm-hearted as a mug of hot cocoa by the fire. It reminds me that Christmas isn't just a day. It's a feeling we can keep in our hearts all year. So, if you ever find yourself in Santa Claus, Indiana, stop by and say hello. You just might feel a little extra Christmas magic in the air. Until next time, remember, be kind, be merry, and keep that Christmas spirit shining bright. Ho ho ho. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.